Hello, hello, hello.
Wish you a Merry Christmas. We
Hello,
wish
anyone here?
we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings you bring wherever you are. Good
That
tidings
is not the lyrics to We Wish You a Merry Christmas.
we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings you bring wherever you are. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy
They have
New Year.
butchered these Christmas Carol lyrics.
We wish you a Merry Christmas, everyone. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Tidings you bring wherever you are. Good tidings for Christmas and a
Merry
Happy
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hello, welcome to our Christmas show. And today we will introduce some
Christmas. We
some
wish you a
rules.
Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
And today we will introduce some produce points. We want to cover and the potency standard and the creative one and apply and so on. And we will also introduce that our 2025 house selling produce like FYSETC and Java, something like a counter and so on. And we also have the part is our giveaway part. It's also most people looking forward. And if you're interested in it, so let's go on. Okay. Today we will have three parts. And the first part is for new produce to be announced. And the second is 2025 house selling produce. And the third one is new house selling produce. And okay, let's go again.
First, it's time to show our new products. Each one is designed with innovation, quality, and your needs in mind. Let's take them one by one. And don't forget to note down our Christmas code. The price tag is point you, but text is empty, so it's first come, first served. Okay, let's see our first product that make you watch our.
Yes. Okay, we can have a see with our package.
Yeah.
We can open it.
Okay, you can see this in this have 6 pads and PC.
Okay, so what it comes with are some lovely. Close this up. It comes with a lot of 3M style or 3M tape, 4 different packs of it for different things, VHC tape,
Yeah.
some wooden dowels to connect it up, and then 6
PC.
yeah, pre-cut 3mm polycarbonate clear perfect panels.
Yeah.
Do we have that in here assembled? No, it's in the other room as well. So yeah, that is Snapmaker U1 top cover. Dimensions are 510mm by 410mm by 300mm. You can obviously customize it to the color of your satisfaction
Yeah.
by just printing it off. I need to take this beard off, it's awful. Sorry. There we go. Santa Claus had a shave. Okay. So yeah, it's really simple to assemble. Polycarbonate panels, impact resistant, high temperature resistant, and use foam for sound insulation and heat insulation. And it comes with everything you need apart from the printed parts. They're available on the FYSETC GitHub if you want to download them and print them off. There we go. That is everything that is included up there in the picture.
And the next one is our new.
Okay, this original price is about $8. Now we have Christmas price. You can use this Christmas code to get this offer. The Christmas price is about $56. You can see from this.
Oh, you guys, you've disabled chat on the screen. 1 minute, guys. I'm just going to try and enable the chat on the screen. 1 second. You guys see it? So no, people can't talk in the chat. There's no way of talking on the live stream. Yeah, so we're just going to try and work that one out, guys. Yeah, but people, yes, but people watching aren't able to do that at the moment. It's the problem. So we need to enable it. Not the only person. There you go. Okay. So 1 second, guys. We're just going to try and fix the chat problem. So if you go back to YouTube Studio. We've got William sneaking up behind us.
No, yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
That one, and then.
Yeah.
Go.
No.
That one, yeah?
Save.
Save.
Okay. Now can.
Okay, now I think you should be able to chat now. Can someone tell me? Also, the form is broken as well, apparently. Can you send me the link to the form, please, Clutch, or Chef, or anyone who put a message in about it? And fix the form, I think.
Oh, now can you? Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
1, 2, 3, hi.
Yay, there we go. Okay, finally. Okay, for entering the form, don't put any hyphens or pluses or anything like that. Just put your names. So I see that you're struggling to enter it, CT. So if you just put CT, don't put the hyphen, you should be able to enter it. We have tested it, I promise.
That works.
Cool. Okay, on the form. Can we go to the form settings a second? No. Let's borrow this. Sorry. Can we go to forms? Okay. This isn't working either.
Yeah. Share the link.
It's this bit here's the problem. So maybe just don't have the plus YouTube. Let's get rid of the.
Okay.
There we go. Okay. We're safe. Okay. The form should work now. Someone just messaged me on Discord, whatever it is. Okay, and after one second, there's another issue. And there you go. Okay, that should be fixed now. The door on link should work. The form should work.
Okay, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Although,
No hyphen, same error. Can just someone send me a link to the form on Discord?
增加。
Professional organisation we've got going here. Sorry about this.
Hello everyone. And now we talking about the new one of cover,
Yeah.
and we can see that
你放回来，
it's working.
放回来。
Hello everyone. Yes.
You sent it to email. So this is asked once an email. So you need
The
to
link sent again. Yes. We send the link again, and we can have a check. Is it not working now? Okay.
Just, it can be any text. Just have it. Don't have any kind of.
Yesterday's successful.
Okay, should work now maybe.
Mm-hmm. Madonna.
Yeah. Okay, the form does work now. So yeah, it was set to email for some reason. But yeah, the form does work now. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Just don't use any hyphens or anything like that. Cool.
You can fill in this. My first one. Hello, hello. And
It works now.
the next is our yes, okay, thank you.
turn the show on screen bit of the chat. All right.
你说口试一下。要不然你就直接在那里打开吧，在那上面打开出现，不用过来。
可以了。
打开再加一个书签，打开数麦屏上面加一个数麦屏的标签，数麦屏的。
That's not it.
再回到直播页面那里，就这样。
Merry Christmas. It is not and the banana. Is that okay?
试一下。不行，在下面那地方再加一个。因
I think it's obviously not working, guys. So I just did the same thing about 50 times. There we go. Okay, cool.
That works.
No, it's because you're going back. Okay.
直接讲嘛，录取不了。
Okay, you can see the original text is about $8, and this Christmas light is only $6. You can use this Christmas code to get it, and this is our product link.
Yes, and you can copy this link and buy it now. About 50 code. Okay, we can see the next produce is our new printer, about 1,300.
Yes.
Okay, so we've got the Veltador on 300 here. Can we put it onto the camera? Can we put it onto this camera?
Yeah.
Well, that's disappointing, Cyberjack. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, yeah. There we go.
Okay.
Cool. You click it once, wait for it to come on, cool.
Okay.
There. Okay, so guys, so this is the new Velta Doron 300. We have made some quick modifications to it today. I know it had the Voron logos, we've taken those off for obvious reasons. Okay, so the Velta Doron 300 is a 300 millimeter diameter build area. It's got 300 millimeters in height in Z. It's got who wrote this? 80 watt heating rod. Okay, so it's got an 80 watt hot end with a 300 watt silicon heated bed, 6 millimeter alloy aluminium ploy profiles, PI coated print surface. But realistically, what we want to look at on this is just, it is a huge, awesome machine. We've got a CPAP-esque remote cooling solution for the hot end. So that cold air is taken in up here and then pumped down to the hot end. It's actually fairly quiet, which is quite nice. It's just a really fun printer.
Yeah.
It's kind of what we want to,
More bigger than before.
and it's bigger than before. You've got a bigger buildable and usable print area, just bigger overall.
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell us anything more about this, girls? What discount can they get on that today?
Yes.
Oh yes, sorry. Yes, I meant to talk about this part as well. It is running a new hot end Pi-based system. So it's running a all-winner R818, 4-core 853, 512 megs of RAM, 16 gig storage, and that's built into this touchscreen here. So no need for a Raspberry Pi or anything like that. You can just use this to control it and run Clipper. It's got a FYSETC Spider D3 with H7 motherboard inside with 7 TMC2209 drivers. So, probably the most common drivers that we've got out these days. 6-time NEMA 17 motors. So we've got motors at the top, motors at the bottom on each of the 3 axes. And then obviously the extruder uses a flat pancake motor. Remote air cooling, so essentially the CPAP-esque solution. And it's got a photoelectric limit switch for the I'm very jet lagged, by the way, for the motion system. So yeah, if you look up here, I don't know, oh God, my face. Yeah, the cable's not very long. We've got limit switches here, they're done by the face of light, okay? 3030 aluminium profile, 2040 aluminium profile anodized, so 3030 is on the axes, on the pillars, and then it's the 2040, and so most of the structural components are CNC, machine aluminium components. It's simple to assemble, dual motor per axis. Yeah, it's a really nice printer, and it's really quiet. That's what I can't kind of get over as someone who runs quite loud printers. This is a quiet printer, so pretty good bit of kit. Yeah, highly recommended. So, girls, can you tell us about the discount they can get on this? So let's turn this camera off now.
Yes.
You can see our setup here, guys. Biggest TV I've ever seen.
So big.
Yeah.
Hello. That's what yes, this one looks better. And we also have some background updates.
Yeah, turn this camera off.
Yes, and this printer we also add the camera at the screen.
Yeah, the screen's really nice. Having it all in one.
New patch.
It's a new part, yeah. Will it be available separately? Will you be able to buy that Pi screen combination separately?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yes. Oh, excellent. Good. Cool. So what discount can they get on this printer?
And we can see the price later.
Okay.
Give you a good price today.
像你点那个要讲了，
讲
3点钟多。
You can see this.
Okay, you can see some details from this thing. It has 6 millimeters oil media area per one uniform heat conduction, offering a robust and flat reference plane that resistance thermal deformation and ensure the overall blend connector of the printing platform. You can see this.
You need to move the microphone a little bit closer. They're struggling to hear you.
Okay, the main structural components are CNC machined aluminum alloy components. You can start printing without additional tasks. With some detail. And this is the definition. The touch screen in our new part is 5 inches, 800 and 480 compatible touch screen. Can provide a more intuitive and clear reading experience. And his print speed is faster. Okay, you can see this original price is $750. And
Yes, and our today price is very price.
yes, you can get a big discount.
$200 discount. That's excellent, right? So how do they get that? They use the code FYSETC200.
Yeah,
When do these codes expire? How long are these codes valid for?
for 48 hours.
48 hours. Excellent. So if any of you want a Doron 300, I might pick one up myself. Genuinely, I think it's a really cool printer. It's really nice. It's definitely not compact. You need the space for it, but that is a good price for what it is, in my personal opinion.
And we only have 10.
Only have 10?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'd say you only have 9 now. I'll probably buy one.
You can copy this code and to buy it now. It is a very fast price for you.
Yes,
Yeah, FYSETC.com/products/Doron using the code Doron200. Excellent. I don't think the Doron Belter 300 is on the AliExpress store. Cry-team printing, I'm afraid. The other codes are all for AliExpress, aren't they?
Only this link, you can copy this link and use the
Yes.
code.
Yeah, cool. They definitely can't copy that link because it's a PPT image that they're watching. But yes, so Cry-team printing, the codes are only valid where the link above them is, if that makes sense, I'm afraid.
Yes.
Next.
And then the next. Okay, then next we will our cotton box. And this one we have 2 types of the sugar variable. And without normal 7.
Oh, that camera's on.
And we have one with these 2 options and with waiting encoder and use LED on each diamond line to indicate activity, and building 3D print structure and no audio extrusion required. And we can see the camera to see the detail. Okay, like this. I think more bigger.
So this is essentially like an AMS unit, right?
For color.
Yeah, multicolor prints.
And this camera we can see more detail. Yes. And we have the arcade is something protect from dust and humidity. Yes. And we can see that about full color. And this one we also have the code now today. The price is 108 before, and today we have the quantity code about 88 now, and you can see the link.
There we go. So
this is our link. You can see it's $108 this time. Okay, you can see.
So $20 off, that takes it down to $88.56. So that is Quattro Box 20 is the discount code. Quattro Box 20, and that will take it through now. What do they get in the box? If they buy this, what do they get with it? What's in the box?
This one we print by yourself. This one we print by yourself.
Yeah, I understand that. I think everyone else understands that. But if they were to buy this, what would they get in the box? Like, what components do they get? Do they get the electronics?
Here and okay, you can see the LED also can show is loading and unloading part. Okay, and this box we also have the control board for this. And it's our X5 board, and is based on the 3255407 VT6, and also support 10 and USB communication and onboard power supply, and have 5-channel matrix feeding support. Also have 5-channel head-eye driving support and important input interface board. And this picture can show more detail about it.
So it's a cool little MCU board designed basically for multi-material units. So not really much more to say on it apart from that. USB communication, CAN communication, 5, I think they're T209s. Yeah, 5 TMC T209s, and more I/O than anyone really needs. So nice little board. Yeah.
Yes, there's 5 to TMC 2209.
Yeah.
Yes, and some output here.
Yeah. These are on. That's quite nice. How about now? Do we have audio now?
Hello.
Testing, 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 testing.
About
Should
now?
have audio now. Oh. I'm gonna wait for it to catch up a little bit. Here's the audio back.
About now? Can you hear?
Yeah. Now it's good. Excellent. Awesome. Cool. I wasn't sure how long the delay was. I don't know why it changed our audio input from these mics to the camera, and the camera doesn't have a microphone on it.
Yes.
Cool. Excellent.
Okay. And the price is also 39 before, and today is 29. And also you can copy this code and to the link. We can see the link that here. Okay, you can see that.
Audio is much better than before. Excellent. That's what we like to hear.
Yeah.
I don't know what it was doing before. Sorry about that.
We have some detail. And based on theme 32 X407VET6. And this one we have the 5TMC2209. And supporting 5 stable motors. And here we can support 5 fans and support 2-pin or 3-pin fans. Okay, and we also have 20 version and 24 version selectable. Yes, we also have 10 general power I/O pin for customers.
That's a really, really, really good idea. Can we post the links to these products into the chat?
Oh, okay.
So that people can click them. Yeah. So if we just copy that, Control C. There we go.
Okay. I will do it now.
And chat. There we go at the bottom. There we go.
Okay.
Oh yes, the links are in the video description. That's a really good point, actually. I do, yeah.
You can share.
Thank you. Look all down there. Not down there. Down there in the video description.
Yes. Okay.
Lots of echo. I don't know how to deal with that now. Sorry.
Okay.
Oh.
About another produce.
Okay, this is a cool one. This is what I'm going through, right? Yes. Cool. This is the K1 control board. So this is a board. Have we got the tool head board as well? I don't think we do. Okay. So this is the K1 control board. It is a MCU board to be a literally. Woo, there we go. To be a direct placement on the Creality K1 series potato that's in there by stock by default. Really big upgrade. It's using the STM32H723, so a really high frequency MCU. It will connect. It doesn't have a Pi built into it because of Shadow Dragon. You might need to refresh. I fixed half the links. It doesn't have a Pi built into it, but advantage, right? It means you can pair it with whatever you want to pair it with. The idea is it's a direct drop-in for the existing one. Have we got the original one? It was on here at some point earlier. Let me just try and find that for you guys so you can see. Here it is. Okay. Here we go. So here is the original potato directly from the K1, and this is the replacement. Okay, so the ports are in the exact same place or positioning, meaning that it's a really easy swap out. We don't have one right here, but this is the original tool headboard. They've replaced it with the same mounting and connectors. It will connect to the original screen. Yes, they are working on that at the moment. I am going to talk about that in a second. But the idea is this is a direct dropout, meaning that you'll be able to take it away, take away from the old K1 and put this in. The screen, yes, they are working on that at the moment. We can turn this camera off now. They are working on that at the moment. They are trying to get the screen working. I believe they are pretty much there with that, but that is kind of what they've been working on at the moment. So what does this board offer? It offers support for up to 48 volts, okay? So that means that you can kind of really push your stepper drivers and your stepper motors as much as you want. Be careful. Can we go back a slide? Cool, here we go. Back one more slide, sorry. There we go. Okay, it's added support for 5 stepper motors instead of the original, I think, 3 that the original one supported. So if you wanted to mod to maybe make it like use more motors on Z, for example, you could do so. It's got a metric ton. I'm gonna censor myself here, of I/O. So in increasing I/O, and it's the same wiring schematic, pretty much output, wise, as the original Creality board. So yeah, it's a huge update. Yes, yeah. Does the new Toolhead board have USB connection for probes like Kato? Yes, it does. It will have. Go 2 slides along, please. No, not that one. 2 slides along. Cool. I'll control this. Sorry. So yes, it does. It's got a CAN connection there, and it's got 2 USB port connections there. So you could connect it to a probe like Cartographer, or if you were feeling rich, Beacon, or something along those lines. The Toolhead MTU board runs a STM32 G431 at 170 megahertz. It's a high temperature chip rated up to 125 degrees Celsius, and it's got an onboard stepper motor. Delivered 24 volt power using the original cable, and yeah, it's got 5 volt 3 amps on 3.3 volt output, so you can power some LEDs and a probe. Does the kit include the cable for the tool head? I believe, I'm 99% sure, have it for the original cable. The connectors are the same. I've got one down here. Give us a second. If we can I have a camera here? Do you want to enable this camera here? Oh. Okay, so we've got one here. Okay, this is. Ooh. Is the camera disconnected? Yeah, it's come unplugged. Plug it. Sorry, it's my fault. No, it wasn't on that one before, was it? It was on there. There we go. Okay, cool. Here we go. Oh no, wrong camera. No, that's the wrong camera. That's that camera. It's that one there. There we go. What? One second, we're just going to add the camera because I really am impressed by this product. So I want to talk to you and show you this product. So here we go. Yeah, there we go. That's the one we want to add. Okay. Hopefully I won't pull the cable out again. Okay. So as you can see here, we've got. Let me try and get this off without breaking the cover. Here we go. So this is their replacement tool headboard. I'm just going to unplug the fan. There we go. So it uses the original cable that came with the Creality K1 to plug directly into this. It's then got, again, increased amount of I/O. So if you wanted to add some additional, oh, hey, Elon. Am I right? It does use the original cable, yes? Yes, it does. Yeah, cool. There we go. And if you wanted to add a probe, you could add a probe, simple and easy, with the USB port connection or the CAN connection there. If you were to connect it via CAN, you could also use this, I believe, in CAN bridge mode. So yeah, that is it. Direct replacement, easy swap out. And if we rotate this onto its back, you can see it's a bit janky in this setup. We've got some cooling fans on it, but it just goes in exactly where the original board went in. So it allows you to directly swap it out, use the same kind of cutout and mounting for the original Creality board, and then connect it via USB to any Pi of your choice. That means if you wanted to really push it, you could put a Pi 5 on there. If you didn't really care, you could put like a Pi 3 or something like that, or maybe one of their competitors' boards. But yeah, really, really, really cool product. I've seen a lot of people do similar things for maybe a Bamboo Lab P1P, but I think something like this is where it really is going to be powerful, and we're going to see a real ability to improve this printer to turn it into something that is actually usable by everybody. Let's turn this camera off and let's move on to the next bit. Okay. Cool. Okay, so the screen will be switched to an HDMI interface and connected to the Raspberry Pi. I'm really sorry about being out of focus. Havoc, I'm going to talk to them about, once it's over, I'll talk to them about adding or seeing if they can offer replacement cables for it. So we do need to talk about it. So you can, I really want to emphasize, because I'm pushing this product because I think it's a great product. This is a pre-order if you buy this product now. They are going into production, okay? So if you were to buy this product today, it says it will ship in 11 days. That is not 100% correct, okay? They still need to produce them. So please, don't come shouting at me, okay? It's kind of what I want to emphasize there. But it is a really cool product. I think it will actually make the K1 a formidable printer now. And like I said, I'll talk to them about K1 cables. Okay, so I'll remember to do that. Okay.
And the original price is $63, and today we will about $53 today. And using this link, we copy the links for you.
Yeah, you can get a bit of a nice kind of pre-order discount on it.
And clicking this link and have 10 codes today. We can see some detail on here, and we have 2 boards, and one is motherboard, and another is 2 board. Okay, here has some detail, you can read it. And the drive input voltage is 24 and 48. We have 2 selection. And support 5 motor driver models.
Let me ask about that GM6JC. 1 second. Okay. Eli. I'm just going to message Eli and ask.
And this combo connect is like the before K1, so it's easier to remove it. We also add some more interface.
Our video is really lagging, by the way. Okay, so I've just had it confirmed. The USB port is not a pass-through, it's got an onboard hub. So if you get the tool head board, will have an onboard USB hub. So it doesn't, you don't need to have run a separate cable down for USB. It will be a hub on the board, so it will take what goes up to it will the cable that goes to the tool head board will then be split into via a hub. So that's really cool.
Okay. And the second part is our 2025 house styling produce. And this year we produced many new produce. And the first one, most popular, is our Sherba. Okay? And it's our new printer, is version L. And this one, build size is 600 to 600 to 600, and it has fast printing. Also, is CNC metal structure and a 7-inch HD and can pair with touch display. And the new election requirement package is Spider Pro 2 and the FYSETC SD camera with 2. And with now more style mesh isolator and support more DIY possible. And this printer we sell popular this year, and we upground this about the multiple color with 2 hands and allow to model and something like naval printing.
So essentially, they've made the Ventura. Now it's easy to mod. It's a huge printer, and you can add IDEX to it. You can do tool changer on it. They've got 2 out in the warehouse, and just seeing them in action is amazing. They are really, really. It's huge. I just can't get over how big it is. I've got, and I still can't get over how big it is when you see it. 2 of them stacked on top of each other. It's amazing. I wish we could show you that, but it wouldn't fit through the door. It's that big.
Yeah,
thanks, Carlo. I love the hat. It is a great hat.
Okay, and we can see this camera. This one, it can print the 2 same part or the middle, and we can have a look. And if you 2 hands to print the one model, and if you side is 600, and if you use the mirror version to print the important model, and if build size is 600 to 200 about 70. Yes, and this part of open source. Whatever you have the 1 page or the 2, you also can use it.
They are, Nick, I agree that they are great printers. They are massive. So I've built one in my attic. I know that when I sell my house, the printer's going with it. There's no chance I'm ever getting it out of the attic. It's ginormous. I really can't emphasize how big it is, but it is a really, 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 really cool printer. It's just ginormous. But if you want to print big things, it's perfect.
Yes, we can see it now. It's moving the 2 hands. Okay, it's free now.
We're trying GM6, JC. You've got to remember, these guys, English isn't their first language. That's why I'm here to help them. So please bear with us. They are really trying. They're doing an amazing job. So yeah. Cool. Let's move on to the next bit. We've got a giveaway coming up soon, right?
Okay, we can see the next passage. Some detail. And our Nice produced is Sharbar V3, and we upground to PEK metro and the PEK in street, and have high temperature resistant and high heat in solution, and hollow out braking design is very lightweight and with light inter, and one end had a Teflon tube metal container and compare with more model, and this one is more 36 motor and 8 teach. This one we also have two versions. Okay, and this one is with motor one. Another one.
Ooh, pretty colors, right?
Yeah,
So we've got like a
two different colors.
yeah, a nice kind of bluey grey and a green. And it also is available without a motor if you want to bring your own motor. You supply them with Moon's NEMA 17 pancakes. But yeah, they're really nice. Not too heavy. Yeah, good bit of kit. Does the Sherpa kit have mounting points for easy upgrades too? What do you mean? Oh, sorry, does the K1 have mounting points for easy upgrades too? For the K1, I don't really get what you mean, Andre. Don't worry, we've got the competition coming up. The entrances, you'll have to spam chat in a bit, and yeah, we've got a bunch of giveaways. We're giving away, I think, 10 of these or something like that at one point. So yeah. Will there be an index competitor from FYSETC? I don't know what they're working on. They haven't said anything, but maybe. It's really nice.
Yes. And the next one is our H36 Campbell. And this board is 125 hand temperature 2 board based on Steam G0BIT3 and support later. And this one is limited to combos model. And this one we also have two options.
Yeah, the AXL 345 or the AXL 345 EP. The EP is the extended performance, I believe the EP stands for. Well, basically what it means is it can be operate at higher temperatures. So here is the H36 high temp. Pardon me, sorry.
High temperature.
This one specifically is the high temperature one. 1 second, I need water.
It is 3.5 and the 3 I/O with level converter and 1 RGB and 1 heat and 1 thermos and 1 LED.
It is a nice little board. Comes with a great amount of stuff in the packet. We've got a molded cable to connect it to your CAN bus system. Molded end. Yeah, nice cable there. It also has a little daughter board to connect it via USB. Okay, and then it also comes with a USB-C cable to connect it up there, and two cables to link it to maybe an eddy current probe like the cartographer. In fact, exact cable you need to link it to the cartographer. Thanks for that, Eli. That's great. But it's a great little board, lots of I/O, easy to small, a lot smaller than the competitors, which is quite nice. Yeah, it's a really, really good little board. Yeah, me too. I quite like FYSETC as well. Me too are.
The next part is our
giving away. So
yes.
Yeah, excellent. We're giving stuff away for free. We're giving out 2 Sherpas without a motor and a Sherpa with a motor, and then 4 of these lovely H36 combos. What we need you to do is type Merry Christmas FYSETC and spam the chat for us, please. Every time you post is an entry, I believe.
Okay. We choose the first 3 people.
We're going to choose the first 3 people.
Yes, we
Okay.
share our motor.
Is that how you're doing it? You're not doing a draw? So we're not doing that, we're doing it this way. Okay. So you need to, if you want to enter, there is a form in the description. Okay.
Many people.
Are we doing it, how are we doing it? Are we doing it by this way or are we doing it by the form?
It's this way.
First is this way, okay.
We 3 people. And
we choose 3 people, okay.
Yes, the first 3, we can see which one.
Okay. Who's selecting them? Are you choosing?
You?
I'm choosing.
Okay, you
I
can choose.
don't think I can choose because I know too many people in this chat and I think I'll be accused of biasness. Yeah, I'll be accused of bias. So I'm not going to choose.
You can.
I think I'll let you do it. Okay.
Okay. And J's 2022. And
I also think that Carlo Harvey 9081 should win something.
Okay.
Yeah.
And with Sharball without motor for key. And the next one is Shadow.
Shadow, yeah?
Shadow.
Yeah, so we've got that.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
And the third one is 3D printer types.
3D printed tips, okay.
Yeah, yes.
Are you keeping track of this? Because, okay, cool. I think, how many more have you got to select now?
3 and the 4H36, we can use another way.
You want me to choose another 3?
Hmm?
Is that me to choose another 3? No? Okay.
Not good.
Okay, William's in charge now. William, be the boss.
Okay, the 3 person can connect our email.
Yeah, so the people whose name we read out as the winners, we will go back and watch it to make sure that we get the right people. If you could email, is it sales@FYSETC.com to claim? What's the email address?
I will
in the live
show under the YouTube.
Okay.
So the email name.
Cool. Let me. Yeah. So I think it's sales@FYSETC.com. I'm just checking.
Okay.
Yeah. No, sorry. shop@FYSETC.com. FYSETC.com.
Yes. The 3 person can connect our email. Can you give it to me?
Sure. Come get it, Shenzhen, Longhua district.
Yes.
We'll give you the hand.
Merry Christmas.
It's very warm. I don't think you'd want it after I've worn it. Okay. Cool. Let's. Yeah. So is this what we're doing now? Yeah.
Many people need to fill in this link.
Okay. So for the next 2 giveaways, of 3 giveaways, can everyone please fill in the forms.gle/5h link? So in the description, there's a forms link. What's this for? So this is for H86. So we're doing a different draw for this one now, right?
Okay, that's going on.
I'd love to know what's going on.
You can do
Oh, okay, you want me to do it? Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Woo. Yeah, the sound effects go with that. Okay.
it.
Whoa. Dirty.
Congratulations.
There we go. Cool. You're taking it down. You logging?
I will contain the email and.
Okay. Cool. So that's one. We're doing how many of these?
3.
3. Okay. 4. Okay, 4. Okay. There we go. Nicholas Exposito. You've won one.
Congratulations. And the next one.
Okay, congratulations.
Cry Team Printing. So one more of the H36 to go. Don't worry, we've got plenty of giveaways today. Oh.
Okay.
The real Maxwell cat. There we go. Excellent. Cool.
Yes.
Excellent. So, guys, if you could reach out to shop@FYSETC.com. Okay?
Yes.
Next slide.
We also have the second part you can wait for.
We've got many prizes, guys. Don't worry.
Yes.
Okay, the next product is hex distribution. You can see our package. Okay. It has 6 USB 2.0 based on USB 2517 and 610 2.0 connectors based on STM 324072 and 624V 7.5 ampere max power distribution with true controllable mass software control or toggle switch control, and it has 4 ADC input, 4 ADC sensors such as thermistors, and 8 general I/O, and 6 24V max I/O with power control for RGB or fan or promiscuity switch or etc. And it has onboard 24V to 5V at 3 ampere DC-DC circuit.
Yeah, I think that's all they need to know about that. They don't need to know about the onboard resale. But it's a really nice little distribution board. It's hexa, so that means 6 outputs, 6 USBs or 6 cans.
Yeah.
Does power and does data. Yeah, and you can turn them on and off. It's a really nice little board. Comes with the board, comes with the USB cable, some nice little Allen keys, and some connectors. Everything you need to get it up and running.
Yes, and this board is for one multi-head printer. Okay, let's see the next.
I didn't draw it. You can fill in the link again.
Yeah.
And B2R. You
Yes.
can try it again.
Okay, let's see. Next product is for Enter 3 and 3 with 1.2 3D printer called XY Kit. It's a DIY project focused on up to 78% of parts from your original Enter 3 print and then a brand new purpose. And this called XY Kit is designed for the Enter 3 Pro. And it also can support other models like the V2 and the Neo and even the non-Pro variant. And this Enter 3 with 1.2 3D printer called XY Kit is used to create a faster, a more reliable machine with a easy to install case that is still fully upgradable. And they'll have two version, you can choose PC or Elegance. And the PC version is more impact resistant. The Elegance you can see clearly. Okay, this you can see the package in this picture. Okay, next we will have a lucky draw. This is press in it.
Okay, so you can win the End-Free Next Generation mod. Yeah.
Yes.
So make sure you're filling out the form, the form below. Okay,
Yes.
and yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Next.
Okay.
Oh, so before the giveaway is in a minute, make sure you're filling out that form for the giveaway. Yeah.
Okay, please fill in the YouTube link and we tackle it
Remember
again.
to fill out the form.
Good idea.
Okay. You can fill out the form from our link, so you can participate in our lucky draw. Okay, let's see next. Is big size silicone brush.
Excellent. So
Yes.
lovely. You can get a nice big silicone brush.
Yes.
Don't know what you want to do with it. You want to lick
Yes.
it or clean nozzle with it. What you want to do, you can do it. It's as big as you need it to be.
Yes, you can cut it in
Oh, you can
different
cut
size.
it. You can cut it. Okay, so we can make it. We can make it different shapes if we want to. So let's say we want to, I don't know, have it like that, an L shape, or E shape, or make it a really, really small one. Like you can do whatever you really need to do. Okay.
Yes, you can DIY.
Excellent.
The shop.
The real Maxwell cat. You lick it on stream. Licked it on stream. There we go. Where's the bin? Okay.
And this big size silicone brush is suitable for A1 series or K2 Plus or K1 or K1 Max Combo 3.
But you can use it on any printer you want. It's not limited to those. You don't need it. You don't need it that big for any of those. This is a great buy if you need these silicone brushes and if you want to do some kind of custom size that doesn't come already. They'll last. This will last you as many printers that you can ever have.
Yes.
Bargain.
It's easy to clean, reduce waste. And this big size silicone brush is made of rubber materials. You can clean your 3D printer nozzles without leaving scratches, and it has long service life, and the price is cheap too.
Yeah, price is great.
Yeah. Okay. It's time to our second lucky draw.
Yeah.
Oh, excellent! Another lucky draw. So we need you to. Are we doing it? Are they saying that in chat again?
Yes.
Is that how they're doing it? Okay.
Post a comment.
Again.
Is that how we do? Are we sure that's how we're doing it? Okay, so we're not doing the spamming in chat. We're doing it via the forms. We're taking the information from the form, guys. So make sure you filled out the form.
The first winner will get our Enter3 code XY kit.
There we go. Okay. No, that's not the right names, is it? Yeah. We're not going to go with the spam. We're just going to fill in the form easier. Yeah. We're doing the wheel. Don't worry.
Okay.
Oh. There we go. Yeah. Excellent. Cool. There we go. Okay. So what are we doing first? No. We'll just say it in order. So how many?
This is for one.
Oh, this is one. Okay.
Yeah,
So, well, no. Okay. So let's do it differently. Pass me the mouse. Okay. Where's the PowerPoint? Where's the PPT? There. So this is for.
This code XY kit only.
Yeah. But there's multiple things in this drawer, right?
Yeah.
1 second. So we'll just do. How many things are in this drawer? Okay, so there's going to be 14 drawers. The first person to be drawn is for the Core XY kit. For the next 3 people will be for 3 of the hex boards. And then the last 10 people will be the big size silicon brush. That's what we want. Okay, so let's move this back. Okay, so.
Let's start.
Okay. Draw 2. Cool, drawing. Okay, cool. Okay, this is number 2. So for this first one is for the Ender-free conversion kit. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, and Chef Armstrong, you have won the Ender-free conversion kit. Congratulations. Woo! Okay, that's the only one of those. Okay. Okay, so next one is for the Hexa. We've got 3 of them, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first winner of the Hexa is Nicholas YouTube. So that's what you put down as your nickname. I can imagine that's Nicholas Explicito. There we go. The form needs to be filled out just once. Yeah, that is correct. The form just needs to be filled out just once. Okay, so you've won a Hexa. JPYT, you've also won a Hexa.
Congratulations. And the last.
Wait, we're going to have to do this 10 times. No, because we've got to do 10 of these now, right?
Yeah, 10 comments.
Yeah. So this last person is for the SML Boss Pro. So you 3 have won the Hexas.
Yes.
Okay. So the next 10 is for the big, very lickable rubber silicon things. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to run through these very quickly. Okay. Flexi 3D.
Congratulations.
And the second one.
That's 1.
Okay.
Skipfy.
Congratulations.
I believe you can draw several at once and just read them as a list. Okay. TBK Maker, you've won a big silicon thingy.
Congratulations.
Okay, let's see. Can we draw 7 at once on this one? No, we can change the luckiness of people. I ain't doing that. That's immoral. Okay. I can't get it to do more than one, I'm afraid. So I'm just gonna have to click it. Oh, yeah, okay. So yeah, I see what you mean, but I don't do that. This is so laggy.
Yes.
Gamer Tom.
Congratulations. And here's the third one.
No, we've done that. That was the. Yeah. Flexi 3D.
Congratulations.
If you entered after we started this round, away Shibashi, it won't be here. Stephen B, you'll be on the next round, don't worry. We re-import them every time.
5.
And the 6 is
Andrabana
8408.
8408.
And congratulations.
How many more?
And I still have 4. Okay.
Hacks. So you guys will need to email shop@FYSETC.com from the email account that you put in with this form so we can align them up. Okay? Bean.
Yes. Congratulations. And thank you. This is the mine.
3D printer tips. How many more?
We have the 2.
Yes. So wrong
2
one.
times.
Okay, well, yeah, that's cool. We get extra. Cool.
So lucky.
Lucky. Is it one more? Is it one more?
Okay.
14. So one more, yes?
Oh,
Yes.
yes.
Okay, well,
Oh.
okay, we're not going to,
Congratulations.
no, Low is not winning one. Clutch kick, 512. There we go. Okay, well done, everyone who won something. Cool. So we will for the next giveaway, we will re-import the list, okay? So don't worry about that. Okay, let's go back to this. This computer's lagging. Okay, next slide.
Okay, this one is our CNC crossbow cutter, and this one is settable for A4T and Sharpa Mini and other tools and so on. And using with a linear CNC construction and have good cutting action, and also lightweight design and easy point replacement and planing. Okay. We can see the camera. And this one we can cut in it like.
Okay, so this is a cutter. This is designed by DW Taz. A great little CNC cutter this is. So the idea is that you can use it to cut your filament on your tool heads. Okay, boom, 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 boom.
We also have a replace part.
And it comes with replacement blades as well. So yeah, great little thing. We're going to be giving away some of these later on in one of the next part of the next giveaway. Yeah. So please do an eye out or stay here for that. We will be doing that shortly. What tool heads is this designed for? Do you know?
Yes.
Cool. That's not a tool head. That's.
Sorry.
That's not a tool head. That's fastener set. Do you know? Does it stealth burner? Does this work on? What does this work on? So is it work on dragon? I actually don't know. I'm asking you guys. You're the experts. Let's have a look. No. CNC cutter. Let's have a look. What does it say? It doesn't. Okay. I'm guessing it works. And someone's messaging me. It's made for the A4T tool head. Okay, that makes sense. But yeah, cool little cutter. Cool. Okay, let's move on to the next bit. Okay.
The next one, our build time, and we also have both 3 stacks about for bamboo HRT and H2S, and for bamboo X1, P1, A1. Also have for U1, and this is surface temperature resistance is 120, and a single board handle melted with material, and compare with high and low temperature, and easy to remove model. And we can see that the different size. And this one is useful X1 and P1, A1 size. And the PLA is 13 to 15, and the PETG is 15 to 17.
Okay, I'm trying not to be too much of a shill. I took a bunch of these away from JRF. I was having real problems with my P1S not adhering, and I used one of these on my P1S, and it just always adheres now. Genuinely a really good plate. I really like them.
And the U1, we also have 2 colors, and the blue and the black.
Just in case you need to match your plate with your outfit that day. So you've got a blue one and you've got a black one.
Which one do you like?
I like them both equally because I'm not getting into that. Yes. Okay.
Okay, we are the round 3, and this part we also have many chance.
Yes, and we're going to do the roulette again. So you know, there's many chances. We're going to be giving away 10 filament cutters. Yep, of course I can. There we go. Oh, I'll stop doing it now. Sorry. 10 filament cutters, 2 cold plates for the bamboo H2D or H2S, 2 cold plates for the bamboo P1, A1 or X1. I don't believe they do have one for the Ventura XL.
Not yet.
Not yet. Then 2 U1s and 2 black U1s. Okay. Yes. So have you re-imported this list? You re-imported? Yeah, you have re-imported it, yeah? Okay. I want to make sure everyone has the opportunity to win. Okay. I saw someone just mention Rolf Harris. I genuinely had the same thought about it, to be honest. It did sound a bit Rolf Harris-esque. Okay. Is there definitely not a setting that we can draw 10 at once? Because I think there's like quite a few, you know. I don't think I can look at this one. Oh. Cool. Oh, was that the option to? Was there an option there to bring in? Don't worry. Just press it 10 times. Okay. So we're going to do a draw. It's going to be 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, 18 prizes on this one. So you can click it 18 times. Okay.
Okay, the first one.
Yep. I hope so, Ismail. I hope so.
JPYT. Okay, congratulations.
Yeah, JPYT, excellent, cool.
And this one can win the cutter. Okay.
Okay.
The next one can communicate.
This computer is slow. I think you might have a virus or some crap, right? Like. Okay, I'm gonna run it on here. Can you send me that list? William, can you send me that list? I'll run it. This is too slow. This is like, look, this is Chiang Boy or something like that. Sorry if I can't say it right.
Congratulations. And the third one.
Okay, and it's, there we go. It's crashed. Come on. Love computers. Okay.
Okay, this one.
The giveaway is definitely international.
Yes.
I can't imagine anyone watching here is in China.
Subject Q.
Sup Jakub.
Okay.
YT. There we go.
Congratulations for the cutter and the. Yes.
BLGLI.
Congratulations.
YouTube. Excellent. Ooh.
And the 5person. In that.
Skipfy.
Congratulations.
There's only like 5 Chrome tabs. It shouldn't be doing it. Shouldn't be doing that. It's not only this which is slow as the other thing. It's the software we're using as well.
Okay.
S-Mail Boss Pro.
Congratulations. And the 6th person to win the cutter. Next one.
Oh, yes, it's international. You can enter for the next round. Ratuja Nagawat. Torsten Edmonds.
Congratulations. And
how many more?
2.
2 more for the cutters.
Yes, and this one is 8.
Flexi 3D.
Congratulations, cutter. And the 9.
Lindlov.
Congratulations.
Okay, that's it done for cutter now, yeah.
Last one.
Last one. Okay.
Yes.
One more winner for the cutter potentially. XY Bird Tech YouTube.
Congratulations, the last one.
I don't know if we need to say this anymore, Ratujana Nagawada. Yes, it's international. We will ship anywhere.
Yes, we can ship to India.
Yes, we can ship to anywhere. Yeah,
yes, we can
anywhere. Ship. Okay.
Okay, the next is our cold plate.
Yep, so the next one's for the cold plate. So it's going to be for the bamboo H2D. No, H2D ones first. Okay. So we're going to do 2 of the larger cold plates. That's this size cold plate. So.
Okay, let's begin. And the first one is. So trickle.
Exoterical. Yep, you definitely need one of these. Cool. And the second one is where is it? Customized. The real Maxwell cat, you've won one. Okay, everything else is done in twos. So we can go customize. We can change it to spin time in seconds. Number of names visible on the wheel. After spin. 1 second. Can we set it to more than one? Okay. 1 second. Customize.
Yes.
Spin. During spin. Spin time 1 second.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but it's not. Okay. So the first winner of the bamboo A1, P1, X1 size thing is Kyle Williams, C1QYT.
And the second one.
Still feels like it's 10 seconds. Hector Lorenzo. Okay, excellent. Okay, the next one is a U1 in
Black one. A black color.
black. Okay, U1 in black. Lisa Lorenzo.
Congratulations. And the
Okay,
second.
the second one is Gradic Prince. Now we're doing it the same thing again. U1 build plate in blue. I'm sure even if it's not the right size, I'm sure you can use it for something. So not many people have U1s yet. Michael C151.
Congratulations. And the last one. And JPUIT, congratulations. And here's our last person to get our code point.
Cold plates. So that's 18 cold plates done. Okay.
Yes, and our continue to the next.
Cool. Nearly at the end, guys. Nearly there.
Okay, the third part is our new hot selling produce. And the first produce is our Wallon style burners, and can be used in the upstream flamator, G2E and flamator, and achieve cleaner, more reliable flame replacement without need for noisy shaping. And this style burner two-hand flammate cutting moves created special for the aluminum tutu box tulip project. And this one we can see the books and what in that.
Oh, excellent. Okay, so what we've got in here, we've got fastener kit. This is not a tool head, this is fastener kit, right? Excellent, cool. We've got some limit switches. We've got a little Bowden doodaddy. And we've got some balls and a spring, some ball bearings. There we go, a little bit phallic.
Yes.
And we've got a blade. Okay, cool. So these are to build a stealth burner extrusion with a Filamatrix filament sensor in it, I believe. Yep.
Yes.
Excellent. Cool.
And the next one is our flymate driver. And this one is for the MMU, and it provides bicycling and continual climate phase reduction, and achieve climate to loading and unloading to inform the climate through. Okay,
there we go. So our next prize is our final round. Oh, we're going back to this. Cool. So here we've got the The filament buffer, essentially, is just a way of keeping your filament organized. Okay, so it's just a nice little buffer. Let's move on to the final round of prizes. So what have we got here? We've got 2 times. What's the classic kit?
Yes. And
Which one's the kit?
not here. Not here.
Oh, we don't have the classic kit here to show. Okay, we've got 2 filamentalist FV3 kits. We've got 5 Filamatrix mod full toolkits. 8 times low resistance PTFE tube, which there should have been a slide for, but yeah. Is this real? This is real, yes. And I am donating 5 times cartographer V4. Okay, let's get going. Okay, so 2, 4, 9, 17, 22 rounds. Oh, I'm going to make sure you don't win one, Overlord. Anybody have one? Okay. Can we not dox people's email addresses? I think that's probably a bit bad. Okay, we need to refresh this list so that everyone's on it. Guys, you can't have that on the screen. That's people's email address. Oh.
录像被看到了。
That page no show the line.
It was showing. Okay, it's not showing. You're right. Okay. Zaria, kind of, is that appropriate? Like,
Thank you.
like, come on.
Okay, that part is our last giving away part.
Okay. Okay, can we quickly go to customize, William?
再想更快一点，1秒钟就看到。
Okay, you're doing that first. Okay. Okay, we're just getting up the draw, guys.
Uh,
Okay, let's do this entry. So I'm going to take notes. I think it's going to be easier.
yes, we will make in the future, but now only have the PEI viewpoint for the version child. Yes. Any upcoming produce for the version 2 hand?
Do we any kind of build plates for the Venture XL? I can ask. Let me ask. Any special? I think the big issue will be shipping them. I think that genuinely will cost a small fortune to ship. But I've sent a message to ask. I'll let you know if we get back, Kyle. Okay, so for the first one, what are the first ones for?
Ready.
It's for the classic times how many?
Really happy with mine. Okay, thank you. And let's begin.
Yeah. Click it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, the first person is that Merlin. Thank you. Congratulations. And the second one.
Kyle, he said not yet, but they will look at it. It's shipping's the problem. Response I just got. Oh,
Okay, let's read the
but it can be
second one.
produced if you want anything, reach out to sales@FYSETC.com and they will store. I'll tell you in a minute who to contact, and they can get it. They can get produced.
Congratulations, Dan.
On that one. Yeah. Good book.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Okay, excellent. There are two classics. The next one, there's 20 times or something on this one, unfortunately.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the next ones are the Filamentum, right?
How many ones? These are the last.
Okay, come on.
Okay.
There, 1 second. I can look at my phone actually. Okay, Gamer Tom.
Congratulations. Okay, and the second one.
Is that two of these, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Cool, yeah.
Kai Hu. Congratulations.
K-I-H-U-H-K-O-Y-T. Okay, I'm keeping a name of what's the next prize?
This is
And this. Teflon 2.
You sure? I think
Oh,
no. That's the fourth one. Okay, mod kits times 5.
Mm-hmm. This one.
Yeah.
This one for 5 people.
2.
Okay, the first one is UC Gold.
Okay. Use if got pig UG. Okay.
Okay, congratulations.
Congratulations.
And the second one is okay, congratulations, Megros. And the third one is
5 months.
Okay, congratulations,
GUILHER.
Jeremy Queen. And the last one. Okay, the last one is Jessie T.
Congratulations.
Okay, and the next one is our
This low resistant tube.
Okay, so now you want a PTFE tube. Okay, 8 of these.
yes. Yeah, the first one is quite team pretty. Okay, congratulations. And the second,
You just remove. Okay.
remove. Okay, the second one, congratulations.
Chef Armstrong.
Yes, and the third one, okay, White Team 3D, and again, congratulations. And the fourth person,
High volt 64.
okay, 3D printer James, congratulations. Five.
Have
Okay,
it.
have a 3D. Thank you, and
Congratulations.
and the sixth person. Okay, congratulations, hater.
Yep, congratulations, Hector Lorenzo.
Hi.
Lexi 3D.
Flex 3D, and last one. Okay. Bojan. Okay. The last one. Congratulations.
Okay, so there's five more draws. That's for the Cartos. Okay, for those, you're gonna need to contact me on Discord. So 5 more draws, please. I'll send out 5 Carto V4s, latest and greatest from Carto 3D. Okay, go. Yeah, my. Okay, I'm taking names today. Who? Ian 507. Yep. Next. Nearly there, guys. Pax.
Okay.
Gutty YouTube.
And the last one.
No, 2 more.
Okay.
Slow.
Yes, so slow.
It's making a sound now. Okay.
Yes.
That bubbling.
Okay, congratulations.
Okay, and one more.
The last one. Okay, continue going on. Okay, congratulations.
Carlo Harvey. Okay.
This is the last one.
9081. Okay, cool.
You need to read it.
Yeah, so I've got all a list of everyone who's won. Just if you can if you want a Carto, contact me on Discord, Richard THF, or email me info@cartographer3d.com, and I will sort those out. I'd get the list from I think use the email that you signed up to your foreman. Everyone else, if you can email shop@FYSETC.com. So if you won anything, shop@FYSETC.com. Tell them what you think you won, and they're going to go through and watch the video to make sure they've got it right. But I have got a list for that last one. Okay.
Yes, and that may be. Thank you for all the support from you, and maybe say goodbye this time.
Of course. See you later. Goodbye.
Bye.
Okay. How do we start?
Your cartoon,
I'll shift them.
give away your
Yeah.
new ball.
Yeah.